back to my channel. My name is Sierra Trace, and you're new here. Welcome. So, I got a little unboxing video for you guys. So, you know, we doing quarantine and everything. I still need my fix. Still need it. So, since I can't go to Ulta, and I noticed on the website that they was talking about Ulta was doing curbside, but for some reason in Maryland, nobody's doing curbside in Maryland, which is a bummer. So I had to order this stuff. So I already opened the box. So if you want to see what I got, continue watching. I got some few things from Ulta. I was kind of like skeptical of getting this stuff. I was like, do I really need it? And I was like, some stuff I did need and some stuff I didn't need. So like, I was like, yeah, let me get this stuff. So the first thing I did purchase was I did need some more concealer. I do use the Makeup Revolution concealer in Define in the color C13. This is my old one. What's that? Yeah, this is my old one. You can tell like it's done. It's done. So I just used the last bit. I had to open this actually because there was nothing left in this. So I was like, yeah, I need me some concealer. And I was like, it's time to get me some concealer because this is like terrible. Like I was running out. And then I had the Tarte and I was trying to scrape some of that. Like, it was terrible. So then, for that, you know, I think it's like $7.50. Not for sure. What I don't like about it is that they didn't send me the prices. I should have wrote the prices down, but in the video I would tell you the prices of how much I paid for this stuff and how much it is without the coupon and everything like that. So I did get me some brushes. I got a few things. I got me some brushes. So I got me a pointed liner brush. It's a Morphe brush. The number is M443 and it looks like this. Little liner brush. So like when I do like this, the lines on my eyelashes, the lines with like glitter and everything on my eye, I can use that. And then I got me 1 1/4 flat contour brush, and it is Morphe as well. The number for this one is M459 brush, and the brush that I use for my contour is like a little. I can't find it. I'm not gonna search for it, but it's like a. Oh, here it goes. No, that's not it either. Here it goes. These are the two brushes that I normally use this brush. I use this brush for contour, but I'm gonna start using this. Maybe and see how this works out, if I like this better than this. So yeah, I got this one. I'm gonna need to get a new brush holder because I'm running out of space. And I did get this from Five Below. It's so cute. It says I may not be perfect, but my makeup is. But yeah, so that's the second brush. And then I did get a tiny Crease blender brush. I really think I had this already. I really do. I have this already. But hey, it's never too much for too many blenders, you know? have it. Wow. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Okay, so the next brush I have is the Chubby Buffer brush. And it is the style M173 brush. I was just buying brushes, you know, so I can get out on a brush collection. If you guys hear that, I'm sorry. This brush is so small. I mean, this brush is so soft. So cute. I'm gonna have fun using these. Okay, and the last brush that I did get is the under eye bullet brush. So I'm mostly gonna be using this when I do my I'll be brushing off my setting powder. So it's already done. And this is in the style M536 from Morphe. And then the next thing that I got from Ulta, I didn't get that much, but I did get some stuff, is some lash glue. I did get the Duo white clear one, the green one. I heard this is a very good one to use. I do have Duo. I have this one, but I like this type of one better because I can just paint it on there instead of just try to like squeeze out a little bit of this. But this, I think this one, right, this is my first time trying Duo, but I did have lash glue like this and I really liked it, so I was like, yeah, let me count that. And so next thing I got, you know, Sweetie, I got all Morphe stuff besides the lash glue. So, you know, Sweetie, she got a new line with Morphe, and I wanted to try it out. I didn't like her eye palette because the colors that's in her palette is like the colors that I already have in other palettes that I own. So it was like, there's no point in me even getting the palette because I already have those colors. So I didn't get it, but what I did get is her setting powder, and it's called Sweet Peach. Ooh, you can't see that. Ooh. Sweet Peach Continuous Setting Spray by Sweetie, and it smells very good. That's the like top. It smells very good. And this one looks like inside. It's like a little setting spray. Like I have a lot of setting sprays, but this shit, ooh, this smells so good. I'm gonna do one. So let's see how this works. It says, continuous setting mist. Enjoy the set. This limited edition performer sets. Liquid of powder makeup with the radiant finish, oh so fresh scent. The continuous air powered superfine mist delivers even in controlled applications. That's that. And then the last thing that I got is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. So, you know, I have 2 Jaclyn Hill palettes already. I do have the Boss Bling palette, and then I do have her first palette. What I don't like about Jaclyn Hill is that, you know, all other Morphe palettes, they're black. They're black. So, I think I have that. So, yeah. I don't like that she makes it white because this what your palette is gonna look like, Jaclyn. Look. It's gonna be dirty. It's already gonna get dirty. But this one is like kind of shiny, so hopefully it'll be. This one was shiny too, but this is not as shiny as this one. But yeah. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2 by Morphe. And it says, to all my loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one is for you, Jaclyn Hill. And these are the colors. So gorgeous. I was like, when I first saw this palette, it's a mess. When I first saw this palette, I was like, oh my goodness. And then I started looking at people's videos and then like creating looks on it, and I was like, I need it. I was like, I need it. I need it. Yeah, I need it. So what I like about what she's doing now on her palette is that the names are on it. So like when I'm making a video, I don't have to go on to this piece of paper and tell you the names, because sometimes I lose this paper. I do. I lose it, or I throw it away because it's all over the place, on the floor, whatever. And I get tired of it, and I'm like, let's throw it in the trash. Like, no. So I really like it that it's on the palette itself. So when I do my makeup and I do a video for you guys, which is coming up very soon, when I do one, I will have the names on there so I can tell you what I'm using. But yeah, I really love these colors. And like some of the stuff that is in here, it is in the James Charles palette, but a little bit lighter. Like My Man, no, Tipsy Girl, and this one is the same color, if you can tell. Tipsy, I mean this one right here, and then Tipsy Girl. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Over here. On camera, it don't look the same. But I can't wait. I really love this one. Like, Get Ready With Me is like, I'm a sucker for gold. Look at that. Yes. And it's like the purple. So I would do a video on this pretty soon. I am waiting on a few items in the mail. So I'm waiting on my P. Louise eyeshadow base. I ordered that like a month ago and it's still not here. So I understand, because coronavirus and everything, I understand that. But like, I want my stuff. What's going on? Tell me. Talk to me. What is it? Okay. Like, where is my stuff? But once I get that, this video will come up. Well, I might do a little video because I want to just get it out the park. But I'm going to do a video with the P. Louise to see how different it is with P. Louise base and eyeshadow primer or concealer. Like, I want to see the difference, because I know a lot of people use P. Louise when they do their makeup and it be coming out so bomb, and I'm like, yeah, I want to try it. So that's gonna be another video for you guys. I'm gonna do a video on this. I'm not for sure what colors I should do. Leave a comment below and tell me what colors I should do. Okay. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment below. You smash that like button. You make sure, if you're not subscribed to the CC gang, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the fam so you can watch me when I make videos. So have a nice day.